Eliminating a cockroach infestation in your home can be a challenging task, but it's essential for maintaining a sanitary living environment. Follow these steps to eradicate cockroaches. Determine active areas of cockroach presence by observing signs such as droppings, egg cases, or a distinctive odor. Maintain cleanliness. Ensure cleanliness in your kitchen and dining areas to remove food and water sources. Quickly address spills and store food in tightly sealed containers. Prevent cockroach entry by sealing cracks and crevices around doors, windows, and pipes using appropriate sealants like cork. Declutter your living space to eliminate hiding spots for cockroaches, discarding items like old newspapers and cardboard boxes. Promptly fix plumbing leaks to eliminate standing water, as cockroaches require water for survival. Consider using natural substances such as diatomaceous earth or boric acid, known for their ability to damage the exoskeletons of cockroaches. Deploy cockroach traps with lures or baits to monitor and capture cockroach activity. Utilize cockroach-specific insecticides, including sprays, baits, or powders. If the infestation persists or worsens, seek assistance from a professional pest control service for a comprehensive assessment and more potent solutions. Stay vigilant with routine cleaning and maintenance to prevent a recurrence. Regularly inspect for signs of cockroach activity and promptly address any issues. The eradication process may take time, so remain patient and consistent in your efforts. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.